Hello everyone, welcome in 6th standards. My dear students, today we are going to take a lesson that name is diversity in society. If you remember, we had completed this lesson in our live sessions as well as here today we are going to take revision on that lesson. Clear? Right now see, here is that name of this lesson, diversity in society. What is the meaning of diversity? On that day we had discussed about that what is the meaning of diversity. Diversity means what? That diversity means variety, okay, and you know very well about it. Right now we are living in India. Right now we are living in India, and in our India there are so many religions. It means that we can say that here are a lot of existence of religions, okay, because in our India there are just like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Isai, Parsi, whatever that, okay, just like that all religions are living together, and really this is a very important thing, most important things, because that all religions living together with peacefully, that's why, okay. So in your lessons there are some points, and now in this video we are going to discuss, or we are going to take revision about that points. I will just explain that points in a short way, so you have to just remember that, okay. Now here are some points. So from that points, here is the first number point: diversity is our strength. Diversity is our strength. Yes. If you remember in your book, there was a first point: diversity is our strength. Why? How? If we are living together in a diversity society, so that times what will happen? That so many religions, they will help to each other. They will help to each other. And suppose, for example, right now I am a Muslim, and if I will just trap in a most critical situation, and at that times some Hindus religions or Hindus person, if they will help them, so what will happen? That situation will be very beautiful, lovingly. And really that is our strength. In that case, sometime if Hindus religions will be fall in a just like a trap, so that times Muslim religions will be stand out for that situation, stand out for help them, है ना, उस वक्त वो खड़े हो जाएंगे, okay. That's why in this point they describe about, or they mention about, diversity is our strength, okay. Basically you have to just remember in your mind, okay, just like in our India there are so many religions as well as there are so many peoples, okay. Each and every people will think differently. They are thinking differently, and now we have to adjust with them. Okay. If you will adjust with them, if you will make a understanding with them, not a misunderstanding, understanding, okay. If you will just make understanding with them, so that times what will happen? That really that is our strength. वो एक हमारी स्ट्रेंथ बनेगी, है ना, वो एक हमारी स्ट्रेंथ बनेगी, ठीक है. सो इन दैट पॉइंट हियर आर सम पॉइंट्स, ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज आवर सेकंड पॉइंट? आवर सेकंड पॉइंट इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेक्युलरिज्म. ओके. नाउ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेक्युलरिज्म means what? That secularism मतलब धर्मनिरपेक्ष means what? That nobody will say that my religion is the best, your religion is not good as compared to me, as like, means that situations will not occur between that two religions. That's why here is one point, that point is secularism. And that, let me tell you one thing dear, that all diversity, that all religions, that all people till now they are connected, they have some bonding. Why? So behind that all bonding, that all connectivity, there is one thing, okay, that is our Indian Constitution. दैट इज आवर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। ये हमारे भारत का संविधान है जिसने आज तक हमें एक साथ बांध कर रखा हुआ है, ठीक है, उसने आज तक हमें एक साथ बांध कर रखा हुआ है। सो रियली इट इज वेरी ग्रेटफुल, है ना। ये काफी सोचने वाली बात है क्योंकि एक ही घर में, हमारे खुद के एक ही घर में हर एक के विचार एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं। कोई डिफरेंट सोचता है, कोई बोलता है एक तो कोई बोलता है चार, दो भी नहीं बोलता है, वो अलग ही बोल देता है, ठीक है। बट ऑल्सो हमारे घर के ही लोगों का सोचना रहना तरीका काफ़ी अलग है। दे आर टोटली डिफरेंट एंड हियर इन आर इंडिया हियर आर सो मेनी काइंड ऑफ रिलीजन्स, हियर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल्स, बट ऑल्सो वी आर लिविंग टुगेदर पीसफुली। बट अभी भी हम कैसे रहते हैं? पीसफुली रहते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ। वाई? बिकॉज बिहाइंड दैट देयर इज इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और आर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारा भारतीय संविधान है, क्योंकि वो हमारे भारतीय संविधान ने इन सबको एक साथ जोड़ कर रखा है, इन एक सब के साथ या फिर इन सबको जोड़ कर रखा है, ठीक है। नाउ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेक्युलरिज्म मीन्स व्हाट? दैट इन दैट पॉइंट वी जस्ट लर्न अबाउट, nobody will say that my religion is the best, your religion is less as compared to me, as etc. Because in India, our Indian constitution provide all authority to each and every people's, each and every religions that authority. Okay, because if Indian constitution given some authority for particular religions, so what will happen that there will be some create misunderstanding, weakness, and that situation, that point will affect on our growth, on our development. वह हमारे डेवलपमेंट पे इफेक्ट करते थे, अफेक्ट करते थे। That's why our Indian constitution given that authority to all. Basically, Indian constitution said that all religions are same. बेसिकली ऑलवेज रिमेंबर डियर, हमें सिर्फ ये रखना है ध्यान में कि ये हिंदू है या मुस्लिम है या क्रिश्चियन है या जैन है या सिख है या पारसी या बौद्ध है, वो छोड़ो साइड में। फाइनली यू हैव टू जस्ट रिमेंबर इन योर माइंड वी आर ह्यूमन, हम एक इंसान है। ध्यान में ये रखना कभी भी, है ना, हम एक इंसान है और यही सोचकर हमें हमारी लाइफ को क्या करना है, आगे बढ़ाना है, ठीक है। हम एक इंसान है। सो दैट वॉज पॉइंट इन दैट लेसन, और दैट वॉज कंसेप्ट इन दैट पॉइंट, है ना। सारे के सारे रिलीजन्स क्या है, एक समान है, एक समान है, ये हमने इस पॉइंट में देखा है। नाउ थर्ड नंबर पॉइंट, द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सोसाइटी टू आवर डेवलपमेंट। हियर इज आल्सो वन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। व्हाट इज दैट पॉइंट? द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सोसाइटी टू आवर डेवलपमेंट। इफ यू वांट टू आवर डेवलपमेंट, okay, just for example, if you are living in your house and your house wants development, so that times what will happen, that your all family members gather, your all family members just be together and support to each other. If they will support you each other, if they will supporting natures, if they have supporting natures, so that times what will happen, that family will be developed, वो फैमिली डेवलप हो जाएगी। सो दैट लाइक सेम दिस पॉइंट, द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सोसाइटी टू आवर डेवलपमेंट मीन्स व्हाट? दैट दिस पॉइंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। इफ आवर नेशंस, इफ आवर इंडिया वांट डेवलपमेंट, इफ आवर इंडियाज वांट ग्रोथ, सो दैट टाइम्स ऑल सोसाइटी, ऑल रिलीजन विल बी सपोर्ट टू ईच अदर, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, ठीक है, या फिर करना ही होगा। देयर इज मैंडेटरी, दैट्स अ मैंडेटरी। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इन वेस्ट बंगाल, गुजरात, अगर कहीं भूकंप आ जाता है, वेस्ट बंगाल में अगर कोई बाढ़ आ जाती है, सो दैट टाइम्स व्हाट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज वी हैव टू जस्ट contribute some money and pay them. We have to just contribute some money and pay them. We have to just contribute some foods and just pay them. So that things should be there. That things should be there. If you will, or if we are act, or if we are follow that like situations, so that times what will happen, that that all religions will live together. They, in front of them religions or among that people, create some loves, and really it will be very effect on or in our development. That's why this point is very important, the contribution of society to our development. ठीक है ना, पॉइंट समझ में आया है? Now here is last point, regulation of society. This is a very good point. Regulations of society. What is the meaning of regulations? Just take one example. If you are coming in a school, okay, so when you just enter in a school, so that times here are some rules and regulations, right? Rules and regulations, here are some protocols, here are some disciplines, okay, and that all rules and regulations, that all protocols you have to follow. You have to follow, and I'm sure that, okay, and I'm sure that you are following that. आप वो follow करते भी हो. Why? Because that there are some protocols about that institutions, about that academies, about that nations, whatever that. If you are following that protocols, if you are following that all disciplines, if you are following that rules and regulations, so that times what will happen? That all situations affect on that development, or it is depends upon that behavior, atmosphere. If you are following that all things, so really it will be growth. वो growth होगा. If you are just following discipline in a school, so that times what will happen, that everyone will be speak about Jyotirgamay school. Yes, Jyotirgamay school is very good. Why? Because there's all students are totally mannersful, respectfully, as well as they follow discipline. They follow discipline means what that? इस पे नाम किसका बड़ा हो रहा है? काम कौन कर रहा है? रूल्स रेगुलेशन फॉलो कौन कर रहा है? आप कर रहे हो, ठीक है, आप कर रहे हो, बट नाम किसका हो रहा है? ज्योतिर्गमय का हो रहा है. That like same, we are people, we are civilizations, we are society, and we have to act, we have to follow regulations, and if we just follow regulations, so that means what will happen, that really that things affect on our development. वो हमारे डेवलपमेंट पे काफ़ी असर करता है, ठीक है. That's why this point is very important here, है ना, समझ में आया है, इसलिए ये पॉइंट इम्पोर्टेंट है, ठीक है. As type we just completed our second lesson of revision. Diversity is our strength, the principle of secularism, the contribution of society to our development, as well as regulations of society. ठीक है, ये 4 पॉइंट है. इस 4 पॉइंट को अच्छे से याद में रखो, ठीक है, इस 4 पॉइंट को अच्छे से याद में रखो. आई होप यू जस्ट अंडरस्टूड, and if you have any kind of queries, difficulties, so you know real about that, you can contact me anytime. Till then, see you, bye bye.